Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's New Year. So me and my friend will go to a friend's house to celebrate the New Year. On our way to a friend's house, ayan, tingin-tingin tayo sa mga tabi-tabi. Pakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung pwede nyo makita dito. May mga ganitong lugar sa loob mismo ng mga streets na mga bahayan, okay? At kadalasan dyan ay mga squats. At ito, karamihan dito ay mga buildings or apartments. Dito naman, dati ito ay isang napakalaking park pero ipinasara dahil yata sa problema about hindi ko alam kung ano, basta yon. At ito naman ay Sunday or Wednesday market. Dito makikita yung napakaraming kung ano-anong itinitinda at mura. Dito ka makakita ng mga second hands at mga murang bagay. So ayan, kasama ko ang aking friend na si Ayan, nandito na kami. Papaalsa mo pa ang O ayan. Ganda na nga. Ang ganda ng bahay. Pera usog, mashallah, mashallah. Pera usog, huwag yung babatiin. Ilang kwarto to, Ate Zé? Four. 4 rooms. Oh. Ayan. Ay, 4. Okay. 4 rooms. Ang ganda na. Ay, yeah. Wow. Sa labas. Ito ang kanyang terrace. Ayan, ang kanyang terrace. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda na sa labas. Ayan. So, ayan. Dito kami. Invited sa bahay natin. Yan, ang kanyang yayamaning ano. Kung nga yan, o di ba? Sisling. Oh, bongga.
Paki-isod nga ito.
Naku, ayan na lang natin. Tayo na lang kumain.
Ayaw?
Sama-sama!
Ito gusto ko yung vacuum na to. Saan niyo po nabili to?
Yung raw. Ayan, it's nice. Our food for today.
Sa'yo pa nabili
Ayan.
to?
Mayroon kaming pansit bihon. Mayroon kaming imbutido. Ang tawag sa amin niyan ay morcon. Ayan, ang morcon.
Iba morcon.
Iba pa, parang ganyan din eh. May ano lang yun, may hotdog at saka itlog. Ang morcon, may itlog at saka may hotdog. Oh.
Ayan, kain na. This is your home, so you...
Halika na.
At ito naman ang kanyang alagang mga manok. Ito naman ang kanyang terrace o veranda na talaga namang napakasarap umupo habang ikaw ay nakatingin sa labas. Ito nga ang kanyang humble house. The party is over and uwi na. On our way home, yan, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo how Karachi looks like, or some part of Karachi looks like, especially the market side. Actually, there is no specific market here in Karachi, or maybe all over Pakistan. Actually, I'm not really sure because I did not visit yet many places here in Pakistan. Now, let us just focus first in Karachi. Though it's New Year, I cannot feel the celebration of New Year here in Pakistan because they are Muslim, or Pakistan is a Muslim country. Even though there are Christians here in Pakistan, they are not celebrating it in public. And as you can see, life is normal. Traffic and stores are open, people are working. It's just a normal day for them. It's not even holiday. Yes, this is the lifestyle here in Pakistan. Life is just normal. Work, visit some friends or whatever you want to do. But basically, it's a working day.
Hindi na ako
And home sweet home. So I'm home. And thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and give your comments down below and click the notification bell so that you will be notified for the next video that I am going to upload. Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you and see you on my next video.